Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 196 Quarry Street. This is located in East Providence, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, part of a duplex. You're located on the left side of this building. And we're going to start our walkthrough here right on the outside. So you do have your own designated off-street parking. It's the driveway off to the left. Perfect for about basically 2 cars. I'd say 1 to 2 cars over here. And we'll go ahead and enter through the front door that you have. Again, you're housed on the left side, so you got this left entryway that goes straight into the unit. So welcome. So we'll start the walkthrough by checking out the upper level. As you can see, upon entering, you go upstairs and you go downstairs. Again, starting the upstairs. So to just point out right away, the upstairs level houses a gorgeous new laminate wood flooring on the living area side. Pretty wide open in here, bright lighting. Got a couple of additional closets, one off to the left and one off to the right. The right side one's actually pretty large and wide open, almost like a walk-in closet. So that's pretty cool. And check out this side, basically gonna be your living area side. Lots of outlets for an entertainment system, TV setup, what have you. And of course, fresh paint throughout this entire unit. Looks great. You have a gas baseboard heat throughout this unit too. And you got this side, it's very wide open. Lots of opportunity for different furniture setups. Actually leads to this glass sliding door, which then leads to your private balcony you have outside. So a nice additional touch to this unit. Private balcony through the back. Cool, cool. Flipping around just to kind of show off the amount of space you got. And the kitchen area is up next. So kitchen area is on this side over here towards the front. And it's a smaller kitchen setup. You got a tile flooring in here, but plenty of kitchen cabinets down below and up above, as you can see. So plenty of kitchen storage, wide open countertops, lots of kitchen outlets for plugins. Very nice. And the appliances in this kitchen area, of course, include the dual bin stainless steel sink. You have the 4-burner stove and oven, exhaust fan up above, and the medium-sized refrigerator. Awesome. So again, that's basically your kitchen setup in here. Next, we'll go ahead and check out the downstairs level. So the downstairs level houses the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. All right. All right. So through the main foyer down here, you have, of course, again, the same new laminate wood flooring. And it continues into both bedrooms. So we'll check out the first bedroom over to your left over here. This is probably the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but I would say perfect for standard to full bed set. I could see this also maybe being used as an office space if one person's moving in here. So pretty good potential for an office space, but again, of course, could be used as a bedroom. So flipping around just real quick, show off that you got a closet space behind the door over there. And a good amount of outlets once again, baseboard heat, new flooring, fresh paint. All right. So that's the first bedroom. Next, we'll check out the second bedroom. Second bedroom is a little bit larger. It's located at the end over here. So again, new flooring, fresh paint, good amount of outlets. And this bedroom, I'd probably say same, just to stick with a twin to full size, full XL bed set. I probably wouldn't go any larger. You maybe could swing a queen in here, but it would probably end up taking up a lot of space. So again, my recommendation would be a twin to full size for both these bedrooms. And you do have a closet over in the corner in this bedroom as well. Cool. All right, that being said, last but not least is the bathroom. So bathroom's right in between the 2 bedrooms. It's right over here to the side. Tile flooring, fresh paint, wide open sink area. Good amount of cabinets underneath the sink for some storage, a wide open mirror up above. And of course, right across from that, you have the full tub and shower. Awesome. So once again, this is 196 Quarry Street, located in East Providence, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.